Hi, this is Connor from Intrinsic Dev. Today I'm just going to be showing you how to set up our WiiM driver for Crestron Home. So after downloading the driver from our site, you'll have the two driver files for the AV receiver and Blu Ray player, and also the integration note that shows all the setup process. So first thing is to move the drivers onto the processor. We can do that via our file manager and toolbox, or I'm using FileZilla here. First thing is go to that user third-party drivers-import folder and just move both the files in there. I've already done this on this processor, so I'm not moving them here. You'll see them show up in that storage-rad folder as well after they've been loaded, and they'll be shown up in the device list then. So in the paired devices page, after you hit drivers, you'll see at the bottom updating devices. After that finishes loading, then they'll be available in the list. So first one we need to add is AV receiver. So handle the volume and source selection. So we just need to give it a name. And then point it to the IP address of the amp or player. And you can just leave the port there as 443 unless it's been configured to use another port. And once the driver's been added, just make sure to check it's licensed okay, and check that in installer settings and the device options. Adding the source. And after adding the source there, we can see it's appeared as a audio source there.
We can see we get our volume control, mute, unmute, power.
In order to get the controls like play, pause, and skip, we're going to need to add the Blu Ray player. So it's just listed under Blu Ray player and then WiiM again. The setup of this is the same as the AV receiver, just needs a name and the IP address again. And then to set this up, we just need to connect the output to the AV receiver's input. It has that Blu Ray control input specifically for it. And then that allows us to have the transport controls as well. And that's the setup of the driver.
Thanks.